Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from Appsid. In this super short video, I will say a few words about the latest feature that will be soon available in the Rocket Builder. So basically, the user can choose the design, choose the layout for the future website. Can be a presentation website where the components are where the layout uses only horizontal components like in the presentation website, and also the users can select the dashboard layout where we have a sidebar on the left. So let me show you how it works. We can access the sidebar menu, drag and drop the sidebar, and the rest, the main area remains the same as in the previous version. We can add here some things. Let's pull a grid, let's add some components. What's different is that the sidebar is common to all future pages. Let me add a carousel or something, and the footer. Okay, if we create another page, let's say I want to create a page named contact. I will drag and drop some elements here. I will put here a contact and also footer. If we preview the website, we can see that the sidebar remains in place, remains fixed, and also we can switch between pages. So this is quite useful because we can reuse this visual component into all other pages, and the work is done much faster. Of course, we can customize all the things. Here, let's say I want to put here my company, my product, I don't know, Appsid, let's say Appsid, okay, and we can style the component. We can do the same here to, I don't know, update this this label, and we can customize all other things as well. So guys, thanks for watching. Tell us what you think. For those that are new to the product, the sources are saved on GitHub. Contributions are welcome. Anyone can contribute. Just go to the issues, see that one is unassigned, and claim it. All efforts are paid, and we try to provide this product to the developers and to have some nice sprints regarding the new features. Also, the product is scheduled to be updated with some active components like charts and data tables, and also APIs. This means that the product will provide some new widgets that are connected to the real databases and real backend servers, just to provide more than a flat HTML file. But this is a work in progress, and we will update the community with all the new features. Also, if some of you are using Discord, we have here some links. We have a Discord community regarding this product, and also a documentation that is up and running, and anyone can access more information regarding the product. What can I say? Thanks again for watching. We are open to all the feedback that we can get from the users. It was a huge support on GitHub, because many users attempt to fork and start a product in just 1 or 2 days. So we will try to listen all the suggestions and provide the new versions as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching. Adrian here from Appsid, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.